Fields in Frisco is an extraordinary master plan community with a blend of residential and commercial spaces, offering an array of shopping, dining, and outdoor activities. Nestled just off of the Dallas North Tollway and 380, this community provides a perfect mix of amenity and natural beauty. The community highlights are over 30 miles of trail, access to PGA Frisco Golf Courses, retail shopping, restaurants, and entertainment, feeds into the prestigious Frisco ISD. The amenities are amphitheater, covered gazebo, event spaces, hike and bike trails, pickleball courts, playgrounds, pools, tennis court. The residential side is offering exclusive Gulf State villas and townhome, urban yet suburban spaces, or flat overlooking green spaces. The residential side has Brookside, which has two phases. Brookside South, which is currently in the process of being built, and Brookside North, that is coming soon. The master plan community also has a gated and guarded portion, and that is the preserve. Let me tell you about Brookside. These homes are not cookie cutter homes. The detail and architectural designs have been very thoughtfully chosen. A classic yet completely unique environment. This neighborhood offers something for every discerning taste. Brookside is being built by 6 meticulous hand-picked builders. The starting price point on the villas is $772,000, and currently available there's a 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,552 square feet. Estimated completion is April or May. The townhome starting price point is $749,000, and currently available there's a 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,721 square feet. It's actually a single story, and it has an estimated completion day of March. The traditional style home starting price point is $1 million. The community highlights are on-site school, 10 plus acres of park, 25 miles of trail, $4 million amenity center. Brookside North will be a custom and semi-custom neighborhood. The Preserve, North Texas' most anticipated upscale residential community, will be custom built by 10 renowned custom builders. Guarded and gated. Phase 1 features 232 lots, sitting amidst 2 PGA Frisco Championship golf courses. Phase 1 starting price point is from the $3 million, and the Preserve offer breathtaking views, rolling hills, lush green spaces. The clubhouse alone was over $13 million, offering pool, spa, tennis court, fitness center. Available home sites are from 3,500 square feet to 12,000 square feet. Fields in Brookside in the Preserve redefine luxury living, offering a unique blend of natural surrounding and upscale amenities. If you want to learn more, book an appointment with me today. Bye.